Sears yn eill y tafliad. Ismail, gadael i bel yn y heibio efo Ismail o bell! Yn taro'r postyn! Ond ar yr ail gyfla, a Jason Oswell wedi rhoi'r Drenewydd ar y blaen. Yr ergyd wreiddiol gan Cei Ismail, ond pan ddath y bel nôl allan, ys Oswell ddim di gallu methu sef wedi trio. A Josh Williams. Harrington tu allan iddo fo. Harrington, cripian ymlaen. Croesiad Harrington sy'n gata postyn pella! A Jordan Davies sy'n wedi nioni'r sgôr am y drydedd gêm o'r bron. Prif sgoriwr Cei Connah tymor yma yn rhwydo yn erbyn y Drenewydd. I'w faint o le i Kai Edwards, gan lamin i flaen. Clark efo'r croesiad. Ac unwaith eto, Jordan Davies oedd yno i gyfarfod y croesiad a penio i ail gôl y pnawn yma. Davies. Codi'r bel dros yr amddiffyn. I lwybr Clark. Clark a draws os Kenny. Jack Kenny yn ei gwneud un dair. Ac am y pedwerydd tymor o'r bron, Jack Kenny yn sgorio yn erbyn y Drenewydd. 8 munud o'r ail hanner wedi mynd, a mae bellach yn 2-1 i Cei Connah. Ryan Sears i lansio'r bel i mewn i gwrs Cosby Cei Connah. Peniad ymlaen gan Mills Evans. Cyffyriad Oswell y bel yn ôl, Jason Oswell! Am Oswell wedi sgorio i ail gôl y pnawn yma. Y bel yn adlamu o gwmpas y cwrs Cosby, a fe ddisgynnodd i Jason Oswell, a fe gadwodd o'i ben.
It was a pretty open game at times, and like I've just said to them there, for sort of spells in the game I thought we did very well, but I thought we were very open at times as well, and we could have conceded. But on the flip side of that, I thought the resilience showed, we stayed in the game and could have very easily got a draw out of the game right at the end as well.
You've come in, taken over the team who's in the top 6, started last week away to the team at the top of the table, at home to the team in second this time. Your next game's against the team in third. They don't come, they don't become easier from week to week, really, do they, at this point in the season?
No, but I think it's, in the split, I think it's one we've got to play the teams that are in and about you and are very strong. I think it's good for us because we can look at different challenges. How do we set teams up? How do we play in different styles? And I think it's good because it's always a test on it. It's not one where you're just seeing out the season. For me, we've got a certain amount of games left, and we want to pick up as many points we can as possible. Who we get is down to the draw, and I'm not going to moan about that. But yeah, TNS away first game of the season, first game of the split. Sorry, was a tough one, but there was I liked what I saw in spells. Likewise again today, we just have to put a performance together for 90 minutes.
Yeah, we're delighted with the win. It's a tough place to come, Newtown. We feel we probably could have made the game a little bit easier than we think. At 3-1 we had a number of chances to go 4 and 5. And even at 3-2, we felt we had the chances to seal the game. And at the end of the last sort of 5-10 minutes, you do feel like you are hanging on a little bit. Even though really they didn't really create much in the last 5 or 10 minutes, it's always one of them things that you just think a ball might drop or from a set piece or however it looks. But we're delighted with the 3 points.
Yeah, of course we're all disappointed with how we played last week, but training's been good this week and we had a game plan today. Yeah, delighted to get 3 points.
For those 2 goals this afternoon, you've now leapfrogged. Aaron Williams was also playing this afternoon, of course. Leapfrogged him to the top of the top goal scorer league. Going forward, obviously that's very important for you, I'm guessing.
Yeah, obviously personal achievements is obviously happy for me, but the main point was the team and maintaining our run and getting second place.